The MS Estonia sank in the Baltic Sea in the early hours of the morning, almost 25 years ago. 989 people were on board when it set out from Estonia for Sweden. Only 137 survived. For years, survivors and the victims' families have been fighting for compensation. But a French court has now thrown out their case.
It's very disappointing. I note that judiciary compensations have been pronounced against the victims. I find it quite exaggerated, to say the least. After 22 years of proceedings, I think the victims could have been spared this.
It has been a long journey then for the families to get to this point. They were seeking damages of $46 million from a German shipbuilder and French certification agency, which had said the ship was seaworthy. But the court ruled against the family's claims and found there was a lack of intentional fault attributable to either Meyer Werft or Bureau Veritas. Many still want to know how this accident could ever have happened. Survivors reported how the car ferry travelling between Tallinn and Stockholm sank in freezing water within minutes. An investigation back in 1997 found that the rough seas had caused the bow door to open, flooding the car deck, and it criticised the crew. Most of the victims' bodies were never recovered in what remains the most deadly maritime disaster in peacetime European waters. Emma Hayward, Al Jazeera.